Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, February 20th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got our units retake tomorrow. We've got Moby Max, 20 minutes for the week is also due tomorrow, as well as practice 8.2. In honors, we've got our units retake on Friday, as well as Moby Max, 20 minutes due tomorrow, and practice 8.3. If you went with Mrs. Music today and were not able to finish your Chapter 7 test in Warrior time, you need to do that tomorrow. In science, we need to finish our lab questions. If you worked well with your group, you had all of the class period to get that done. There is no homework passes allowed on this assignment. In social studies, what started off as having an assignment at the beginning of the week has since changed. There is no homework, and tomorrow is Fire Friday. All right. Language arts, there's no homework. If you attended the hockey game, your worksheet is due on Friday. You also need to bring earbuds to class tomorrow. And in literature, there is no homework. Honors Lit, they had their inequality presentation on Thursday. As I've said all week, if you are in CNL, your last day of class for the 12 weeks is tomorrow. The same thing with art and with gym. If you have any missing assignments for Mrs. Music, you need to check with her. It's going to be it for this Thursday. Everyone have a fantastic evening and stay warm out there.